Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 19 how to send a photo via a direct message on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to an iPhone, the Instagram application itself, and then we can go to the iPhone, go to the Instagram application, click on Instagram. Make sure you're signed into the account. Go to your profile, choose a photo you wish to send via a direct message to another account. And now we can go to the bottom left corner on top and click the aeroplane that is facing a 45-degree angle and send to the relevant client. Send. So I will send this to my other account, go back to the DMs. The photo has been sent, and now we can go all the way down to the dock, click on the grids application, switch accounts, go to your DMs, and now we see the photo. Close out of grids, go back to your profile, go to the home page of the iPhone. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.